Welcome to this Python series. This Python series, we are going to talk a whole lot of things about Python programming language. Whether if you are new to Python programming language, this video is basically for you. So in this series, we're going to talk about what exactly is programming language, what exactly is programming, what is Python programming language, Python syntax like comment, and print functions, data type conversion, functions, mapping, structures, classes. We're going to talk a whole lot of all this in this Python series. So I'll be happy to see you to the end of this Python series. And also don't forget to subscribe, because each subscription is subscribe help to improve and grow this channel. It motivates me to create more awesome videos. So after this series, we're going to do a whole lot of we're going to do a whole lot of projects, like that of a machine learning project. We're going to make predictions like football prediction, forest prediction, stock prediction. We're also going to do a whole lot like image and prediction. We're also going to create a chatbot like that of ChatGPT. So we're going to do a whole lot of even web development using Django and Flask, both for the front end and the back end. Also going to do ethical hacking. There are a whole lot of things we're going to do in this Python tutorial. So only way for this to be successful is only when you subscribe to the channel, which is going to motivate me to make all this video. But initially, we are going to create tutorials on Python for you to understand how Python syntax works. Then after that, we are going to make use of libraries. Like when we start into our machine learning project, we're going to make use of libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, sklearn, a whole lot of other libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, a whole lot of them for us to achieve this. But before we can achieve this, we have to know how to use Python syntax correctly, which we are going to do at the first stage. So our second stage is going to be understanding how those libraries works, each of the libraries, and then the third stage we're going to be applying them and getting our results. We're also going to do a whole lot of interesting videos. So, but only one way for this to be successful, where details only when you subscribe to the channel is going to really motivate me to do all these things on this channel. So I'll be happy to see you throughout this Python series. So let's get there and make things change the world.